I'd like to show you my version of Paint It Black by the Rolling Stones. I'm tuned to E, E, B, E. I like to play the melody up high like it is on the record. That's the rhythm I use for the background there, and I have my finger up here on the 12th fret because that's where I'm going to start the melody. Do that for a little while, and when I'm ready to start the melody, I just start with the 12th, and I alternate with the low E string, just those two strings. I'll go over that slow, 12. I think on the record it only hits a 12 once, but they have other instruments going on. I kind of like to hit it twice. And 14, 15, 17, 15, 14, 12. Now here it changes chords on the records. Another reason I like to do the melody up high, because it, you know, kind of where the melody is on the record, but it gives me a chance to change from the E chord to the B chord, which is our middle string. Right? Little fudge there. Do that slow. So it's kind of like you start on 12 with the low E, and then you start on 12 again, but with the B, middle string. So after you've played the melody as many times as you like, you go into the chords. Starts off with an E chord, 12, 12, 12. Hits that a couple times. And then it goes to a D chord, which is 10, 10, 10. And then we go down to, on the same fret there, we go 10, 8, 10. This gives us a G chord. Right? And back to 10, and then up to 12 again. That's the first half. I'll play with a little more consistency. And then we do it again with the variation. That was all the same. And then we go down here to A, up to B. On the last chord of each phrase, I like to break it up like that, low and then high. So I'll play the first part again. You can do it basically almost with one finger. And if you don't like the sound of this G, if it doesn't sound different enough, you can go. But if you're playing the song fast, you gotta be pretty quick. In part 2, all right. And the only other lick is really the lick at the very, very beginning, which I didn't do at the beginning because I didn't want to have to explain that. But I'll explain it now. And that starts off 9, 11, 12, slide up to 14. Just that simple. And I like to do the last one in the slide. That's the way I hear it. And then back to 12 and pull off 11, 9, back to 11. Whoops. Now you could certainly do that at the beginning of the song. It's probably where it should go. I just didn't want to do it there because I wanted to start off with the easier stuff first. I hope you have fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.